Good morning, Axel. Good morning, Henry. Oh, today is not going to be that long because volume is what we're going to run over today. And volume is actually pretty easy. Volume is actually easier than surface area, I would say. Because there's just an easy general formula for all of volumes of prisms and volumes of pyramids, which we'll do tomorrow. So today's lesson probably it could honestly be like 10 minutes because today's lesson is just so easy. Yeah. Oh, you know what I'll do? Nah, I'll give it time because for later. Because I was gonna give the exit ticket now, but then nah, I'm not gonna do that. I'll do it later. It's really easy. Um, let's see. All right, 10:04. Let's begin. It's like I said, it's gonna be real easy. So, oh, you know what? Let me add a little thing. Mm, I don't even need that much. Okay, yeah. So, so volume is really easy. All you're doing, good morning, Jaquelius. All you're doing for volume is you're just taking the base, so the area of the base, and you're multiplying it by this height. Okay, so area of the so it's just B times H, or area, oops, area of base. Why is this not doing very well? Base, multiply by height. And what that means is you're basically determining what shape, what kind of prism it is. So for question one, it's a triangular prism. All right, which means the triangle is the base. Okay, so to do that, you're just going to take area of the base. So since it's a triangle, it's base of the triangle times the height, or 6 times 4 divided by 2, and then you multiply that by the height. And the height is the length between the two bases. Okay, so if the triangle is here and here, this is the height. Okay, so you multiply this by 12, and that's it. Volume is very simple and very easy. So I just take this, 6 times 4 divided by 2 times 12. Boom, 144 inches. Oops, I'm gonna do this. Do that in black. 144 inches cubed. Okay? Now, when we talking about volume, we talking about the three dimension. Okay? So instead of squared, when we normally it's a 2 because we do area, volume we do 3 to the power of 3 because it's in the third dimension. Okay? Um, for the cylinder, same thing. The only difference is that, no, there is no difference. You're just finding area of the circle. Okay, so here's our base, circle, circle. Area of a circle times the height, and our height here is 6. So area of the circle is pi r squared, so it's pi r squared um, times 6. Okay, and again we use 3.14. Oh, you know what I just realized? I didn't give you guys a question on cylinder. Oh well, it's fine. So 3.14, the radius is 4 squared times 6. Okay? So we got to do 4 times 4 times 3.14 times 6. Boom. 301.44. So 301.44 inches cubed. All right? You know what? Nah, it's fine. Then I'll just make sure I include a cylinder for tomorrow's assignment. All right. So here we got a pentagonal prism. Okay. Again, we got to find the area of the pentagon. All right. Area of the pentagon multiplied by its height, which is in this case 3. Okay. So area of the pentagon is 1/2 AP, or 1/2, or its its apothem, which is 6.88 times 10 divided by 2 times 5. Okay, because there's 5 sides. Okay, multiplied by 3, because that's the height. Okay, so we take this, put it in the calculator, so 6.88 times 10 divided by 2 times 5 times 3. 516 inches cubed. Okay, easy, simple. Good morning, Jessica. This is very, very, like I said, this is probably like a 10-minute lesson today. Very short and sweet and simple. Okay, with a cube, guess what? It's just 4 times 4 times 4. The nice thing about cubes and rectangular prisms is just length times width times height. Length times width times height. Actually, I should change that. The H should be like this, and then the W is like that. Length times width times height. Okay, so, or in this case, 4 times 4 times 4. Or, I believe it's 64. 4 times 4 times 4. Yeah, 64. 64 inches cubed. Again, we're in the 3 dimensions, so we're using cubed. 3. Units to the power of 3. Okay? Alright, and again, for rectangular prisms, it's just, oops, length times width times height. Okay? So 6 times 12 times 3. Oops, that's not a 3. Alright, so 6 times 12 times 3. Oops, that's bad. Clear, cancel. 6 times 12 times 3, 216. So this is 216 inches cubed. Alright, good morning, Sultan. Um, for here, it's a triangular prism. So find area of the triangle and then multiply by the height. Height is right here, the distance between the two bases. So we have 6 times 8 divided by 2, okay, times the height, which is 14. So 6 times 8 divided by 2 times 14, 336 units cubed, because there's no units to these. Okay? Very easy. Volume is super easy. Okay? I'm going to do 6 more, and then we'll be done for today. Okay? So, we have a cylinder. Okay? Remember, pi r squared. All right? If 8 is your diameter, half of that is your radius. So, it's going to be pi r squared times your height, which is 12. Actually, let me use a color difference because of the color contrast there. Okay, so 3.14 times 4 squared times 12. So 4 times 4 times 3.14 times 12. All right, 602.88. 602.88 units squared. Okay. Um, Again, with the cubes, nice and easy. It's just length times width times height, or 5 times 5 times 5. Okay. Should be 125. 5 times 5 times 5. 125. Yep. Nice and easy. Inches cubed. Okay. Good morning, Jaquelius. What are you doing at school? All right. So, again, pentagonal prism. Find area of your pentagon. Okay. Which means the height is the distance between. So that's 7. So we're going to have 8.95 times 13 divided by 2 times 5. There's 5 sides on the pentagon. And then multiply that by 7, which will be equal to, let's see, 8, nope, that's not 8, 8.95 times 13 divided by 2 times 5 times 7. Let's check that. So 8.95 times 13 divided by 2 times 5 times 7. There we go. So 2000, oh crap, I already forgot. 2036.125. And if we round that, okay, 2036.13 inches cubed. Okay, remember, we always round to the nearest hundredth, 2 decimal places. All right, nice and easy. So let's do the cylinder. Circle, circle. Here's the height right here. Okay, remember, pi r squared. R is half the diameter. Since they're given the diameter, it's going to be 3.14 times 3 squared times 8. Okay. So 3.14 times 3, oops, 3 times 3 times 8. 206.08. 226.08. So 226.08 inches cubed. Okay, nice and easy. Not doing anything difficult. This week is volume. Very simple. Tomorrow we're gonna do pyramids, and then on Wednesday we're gonna do uh, composite. So volume of 2 shapes put together. All right. So let's do this. Another triangular prism. Again, here's the triangle, and the height is right here. So we have 2 times 3 divided by 2 times 10. So 2 times 3, 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So 2 times 3 divided by 2 times 10. Boom, 30. Look at that. So easy. Oops. It's cubed. Ugh. Okay. I'm gonna add a cylinder question. I realized that I forgot to add a cylinder question. I'm actually going to add a cylinder question to your assignment right after this. So don't start your assignments yet. Okay? Don't start your quizzes just yet. I'm gonna add a cylinder and then you guys will be good to go. All right. For rectangles, again, length times width times height. 4 times 11 times 7. Okay? 4 times 11 times 7. Boom, 308. Easy. Units cubed. Okay? Super easy. I'm not giving you guys anything hard to do right now. All right, I think. Oh, that was the last question. Oh, boom. See? See what I mean? Super easy. Super easy. I don't even have to continue today's lesson after this. We're done. Okay? Nice and simple. So, let me adjust. Where's Schoology? Where does Schoology go? All right, I'm gonna add a question real quick. So, give me 1 second. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. All right, edit. All right, I'm gonna add a question. Do, 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 do. Okay, let's see. Let's do this one. Okay, let me add a thing. All right. So I'm gonna do this on the side so you guys don't know what the answer is. Oh, damn it. Wait. So uh, okay, 1 second. I'm gonna do a quick thing. I have to do this for all the classes, so just bear with me. Oh, come on. There it is. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, exit ticket, right. Okay, come here. So the exit ticket today, I'm just gonna do this so that you guys can see. Boom. Can y'all see it? There's the exit ticket. What do you guys think that is? All right, if you know what it is, you guys can complete the exit ticket real quick. If not, actually, no, you guys can't real quick because I'm deleting everything right now. Hold on. So give me 1 second. I'm deleting all the folders and copying a new folder. So just give me 1 second. Y'all can't even complete it yet because I'm deleting the assignment. So if you know what gem this is, you know what the answer to the exit ticket will be. Okay, so let me just double check to make sure I did it. Okay, yep. And blah blah blah. Copy. Boom boom. Doot doot doot. Copy. Dun dun dun. I'm doing this as fast as I can. Bear with me, guys. Give me like 30 more seconds. Okay, I think everything should be live. It's a blue gem. Yes, it is a blue gem. What is a blue gem? It's also known as a sapphire, just FYI. It is a sapphire. The answer is a sapphire, okay? Shrink this back. All right, so that is the end of today's lesson. I'm gonna close it here. Let me just check messages to see what's up. Okay. All right, I'm gonna be out a little bit tomorrow, later today. I'm gonna be at school for a little bit today, so I'm actually gonna change my hours to pretty much right now until like 12 o'clock or 12:30, give or take. Okay, so from now to 12:30, I will be uh on Zoom. I'm gonna switch to Zoom right now. Okay, so I'm gonna end the live stream, switch to Zoom, so I won't be on Zoom later today at 1 o'clock like I'm normal hours. All right. Let's save this. I'm gonna end it here. All right. I'll see you guys on Zoom if you want to join.